This video explains what the active cell is. In simple terms, the active cell is the one cell in a worksheet that is currently selected and ready for input. Any typing or formula you enter will go into the cell. The active cell matters because it controls where your data goes. Unless you select a different cell, all typing, formulas, and many actions apply to the active cell. The active cell is not a group of selected cells. It is not a highlighted row or column header, and it is not just any cell that contains data. It is not every cell in the worksheet. The active cell is the single cell currently selected for input. You do not need to memorize this. You only need to recognize the cell where typing will appear. You can recognize the active cell by its bold border. Only one cell can be active at a time. In Excel, its address appears in the name box, and it changes as you move your selection. This diagram organizes the idea of the active cell. Use it as a reference if needed. When you see one cell outlined and ready for input, that is the active cell.